So this is my first time driving this car in the snow when obviously there's not really a whole lot of snow on the road. But I guess we'll just have to see and find out. All right. A little slushy, but nothing horrible. Oh yeah, the roads aren't bad. It was just the side roads, I think. But I was like, dude, something's like a little bit off because I'm hoping that with a newer car that I have better traction. Well, granted, it's all about the wheels as well, but yeah, as you can see, like you can't see the mountains. It's pretty much a whiteout. This is Colorado for you, where it's like 65 and sunny one day and 27 the next and snowing. It's just insane. But so far this car's handling pretty well in the snow. I mean, granted, this is not really like a lot of snow. We've had worse. I've seen worse. But oh, this is the one problem. I had the speed that's up here, so if I aim speed, oh, I gotta blur it out. But luckily for me, it doesn't show. I thought I'd make a little bit of a video here, just kind of doing like a little POV drive and showing you guys, you know, on a little step by step. It's actually crazy. Forget what I just said there. I've put on 200 miles since owning this in the last 2 weeks, which I guess reality is it's not that much. I mean, I guess it could be way worse, but I don't know. We're just gonna keep on driving and see how well this turns out. The worst part is the brakes, which I think are about to happen right now. Hold on. Maybe. You may hear the brakes. Maybe not. Okay, interesting. Everything's still handling pretty well. Not skirting around, not doing anything. Interesting. Alright, well, we do need gas, though. Half a tank. That's the only thing that scares me is that Colorado is so bipolar that, like, I'm really scared that if I don't have enough gas, like, above, like, 3/4 of the tank and I get stuck somewhere, I am screwed.
Want to save more?
I do octane, baby. Alright. Drink up, beautiful. Half a tank of gas. 28 bucks. Honestly, that's not even bad. Turn this bad boy back on. Oh. That's my girl. Gotta reset everything too here. All right, and we're back in the road. Yay. I really hate snow, man. I'll be honest. Like, it's not as fun as you think just to go drifting and stuff. Like, there's a lot more to it than just that. I don't know. Snow in the spring just makes me low-key kind of depressed. Oh, nice Alfa Romeo Giulia, I think that is. Nice. Okay, this might actually be a good test to see if it works here, because I'm not 100% sure if it does. It doesn't handle bad, actually. Nice. We love that. Now, this is the real tester here, because we're going to go from shitty road to, like, not as shitty. So I might lose some traction here. Nope, not at all. Not for the 435xi. Let's go. Guys, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But this is a little drive POV. Thanks for watching.